tricky situation. I am in Dawa. The situation is very tricky. I have to go and get a sleeper bus, sleeper train to Addis Ababa. I've been stuck, but the problem is I don't have time. Yes, the thing is I don't have time right now because I currently have like 20 minutes. I have like 20 minutes to cover 20 kilometers. Today there's a lot of traffic jam on the road. I don't know if I'll make it to that place, but let's go and see. So there's a sense of urgency. The situation is very tricky. Let's try and see if we can get over there. Meet Mr. Solomon here. Your other name is Solomon. What's the other name? Your name?
My name is Solomon Balai.
Solomon Balaye.
Balai, yeah.
Yes. Which tribe are you? Which region of Ethiopia you come from?
Addis.
Addis Ababa. Oh, okay. And the language, your local language is, what's your local language?
Amharic.
Amharic.
English for communication.
Yeah.
Oromia.
Yeah.
Tigray.
Tigray.
Yeah.
Okay, so Mr. Solomon is a professional international driver because he has an international passport.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, he's been working in big organizations like the World Food Program. And I'm so privileged to meet him here. He's actually taking me to the train station. Yeah, we have apparently like 25 minutes. But for me, I don't know if I'll make it in time, but let's really hurry and see that we get there in time. We are in Dawa. It's 7 o'clock in the morning, but the city is already busy because it's a public holiday. Today is a Sunday and it's Eid. So many people are buying things, getting ready for Eid. It's a very tricky situation I'm in, but pray for me such that I make it to the
transport.
Mr. Solomon, do you think we shall make it in time?
Yes, yes. You have time.
We shall make it?
Yes.
Yeah, Mr. Solomon is assuring me that we shall make it, so why not? I have to believe him. Yeah. So it's a rush hour right now. Wow, we are put in a road that has no traffic jam. So let's just process through and go.
It's still there.
Yeah. So I really have to rush because time is gone. I don't know what to expect, but we have to get there in time. So right now the tuk-tuk is trying to race as fast as I can so that we reach the train station as early as possible. Dawa, for those of you who don't know where Dawa is located in the eastern part of Ethiopia. Eastern, right?
Yes, it is.
It's located in the eastern part of Ethiopia. It's apparently the second largest city, second to Addis Ababa.
Yeah.
In terms of population, it's a multicultural city consisting of Oromio, Somali, Amhara, Gurage, Tigray. So many cultures in Dawa. So right now I'm on a rush to go and get up a train to Addis Ababa. I don't really have time, but we have to rest out and see that we catch it. Just to show you a bit of the city. So right now I'm in a tuk-tuk, and when I look in front of me, there are so many tuk-tuk. We are racing with time. How much time left now? The situation is tricky, but I know we shall make it. He has assured me that we shall make it, so we are trying to race against time. I think we are left with a few minutes right now, probably like 20 minutes.
The train we will come and Djibouti. Djibouti will come, the train.
The train is going to Djibouti?
No, it will come.
It's coming.
Yeah, it's coming. The radar up to
Addis.
Addis.
Oh, so this train is coming from Djibouti
Yeah.
to Dawa, and then it will go to Addis. Okay. Yeah, it seems to be a big train. It's a sleeper train. This is going to be my first time on a sleeper train. So I really need to check out and see the opportunity, and also check out and see how it feels like. So what's the name of this village?
This one?
Yeah.
Saido.
Silo.
Saido.
Sairo.
Saido.
Saigo.
The name of the person. The
Oh.
rich person. And the landlord.
The landlord.
The landlord person.
Yeah.
The village Saido.
Oh.
There is a hospital for ground force hospital.
Yeah, this is a referral hospital.
Ground force.
The government.
The government ground force.
Oh.
Force. You know, soldier hospital.
The Armed Forces Hospital in Dawa.
Yeah.
Okay, such a big one.
Yeah, the
So
big
huge.
Look, the people, the weapon muskets.
Yeah.
Look, why is it so far?
It's very far.
Yeah.
There's no traffic jam here, so
Not traffic jam. There is the name of industry center, industry area.
oh.
To next the train station.
It's the
and
industrial area.
industry area.
Industrial area of
Yeah.
Dawa, right?
Yes. Industry village.
Okay.
What about the day today in Ethiopia?
Yep.
What about the day today? 2030
The date today?
calendar 30. Always in full
Right.
date.
Yes.
They start in Redwa.
Oh.
The what else? 29, 27. What about Godolo? MP? Full day. They start the train in Redwa.
Oh.
What another?
They start a train
Full day.
full day.
Yeah, full day means 13, 20, 22, something like this.
Oh, that's how they count in Dawa.
Yes. It's full day. Full day means 13 is full number. And the full number.
Oh, 13 is the full number.
Yes, 13, 2, 4, 6. It's full number, yes?
Yeah.
Djibouti is road, this one. Djibouti.
That's the road to Djibouti.
Yeah.
Wow, that's a road that goes to Djibouti. Remember, we are in the eastern part, right about the Horn of Africa, around the Gulf region. So we are close to Djibouti.
Look, this train is, what about this car?
Those trailer.
Trailer, yes. They coming from Djibouti,
Yeah.
the road is jam, they stay here. After ceremony, they stay here.
Okay, so this is okay. There's a lot of traffic jam. So they are going to Djibouti. They come from Djibouti.
They come Djibouti.
Oh, they come from Djibouti.
Yeah.
They are carrying goods. So Ethiopia imports its goods from Djibouti. Ethiopia is landlocked country. There's no port, so they have to import through Djibouti to Ethiopia, right? To Dawa,
Yes, it is.
then to Addis.
Yeah. And this and the other country region.
Yeah, amazing.
This is a ring road. This one is a ring road.
Oh, there's a ring road here.
Yeah. And the red one, a ring road.
Okay. The Dawa ring road. Wow, it's a bit far. I didn't know. I was thinking it was close to the city.
So yesterday you told
That's
me
why I
it's
didn't
time
tell
for-
you more.
The What's that there?
Cement fabric.
Cement?
Fabrica.
Oh.
That is cement fabric.
Okay. TOS Cement.
Ture.
Ture.
The name of the landlord.
Ture Cement is an Ethiopian company?
If there is another national cement factory, this is cement factory.
Okay. It's a national cement factory.
This one is Ture.
Ture, yes. Oh, there's another one.
The other one, the location of this area is industry area.
Yeah.
Industry area.
So I think we can see the train station. We have reached the train station. It's over there. Wow. The drive has been so fast, and we finally made it. Hooray. Yes!
We did it. We did it. We did it. We did it. We did it.
What's the name of the train station?
To next Malka Jabdu is a town name. Malka.
Marka Jebu. Okay.
Jabdu. Malka. You say Malka. You shout to that.
Okay. We made it in time. Over there is the train station in Markajebu. It has a train which comes straight from Djibouti up to Addis Ababa. And that's the train I'm gonna hop onto. I will slip onto that train and it will take me to. Okay, I think the car lift up here. So my phone is ready. It is a beautiful morning and I've already made it to the train station, so hooray. Thought I wouldn't make it. Here we are.
ገና ነው አይደል? ወይ ብለው ነው?
ጅቡቲ ነው?
አይ
አዲስ
አዲስ
ያው የገቡ ነው።
ወጣ ይሄ ወዴት? ጅቡቲ።
The train is supposed to be.
Is this people we will go Djibouti?
These people are going to Djibouti?
Yeah.
Okay. People are going to Djibouti. We're waiting for the train. And for us, we need a train to Addis. I think it's supposed to be leaving in 6 minutes. I don't know how punctual this train is, but I guess it's not African time, you know. So we have only 6 minutes to be into the train.
እና ተዘጋ አዲስ አበባ ተዘጋ። አረፈደ አረፈደ። ሰዓቱ አለፈ። ባቡር አልመጣም። ባቡር አለ። ይሄ ሰው ገብቶ የወጣ ነው። ሰዓቱ አለፈ። ያ እኮ ባቡሩ አላወቀም ነበር። እኔ ነኝ ጋይድ አድርጌው ልመጣ እና አንድ ሰዓት መምጣት ነበረበት። እንደውም አሁን እኔ እና ተዘጋ። እኔ አይደለም ማለት ተዘጋ። በቃ ይጉ ነው ተዘግቶ ነው።
What's the problem?
ምንድነው የሚደረገው? ምን ይደረጋል ታዲያ? የሚደረግ ነገር በቃ ሌላ አማራጭ ካለ ማለት ነው።
It's gone?
Yeah. It's late.
Oh, but they said it's leaving 7:30.
7 አንድ ተኩል
I think I have 5 minutes.
ውጭ ዜጋ ስለሆነ አላወቀም። እንደገና ደግሞ ከተማ ነበረ። እኔ ደውሎልኝ እስክመጣ ድረስ በእውነት ዋጋ ከፈልኩ ነው። እዚህ ቦታ ላይ እሱ ሰዓት መገኘት ነበረበት። አንድ ሰዓት ውስጥ መግባት ነበረበት። አንድ ሰዓት ቤት ውስጥ
Because they told me 7:30.
7 we will go inside. We are alone inside 7. አንድ ሰዓት ተኩልማ መንገድ መሄድ ነው። አንድ ሰዓት ተኩል there pass.
We can try.
Manager.
We can try. We can try to excuse me, sir. Yeah? I don't want to miss this train.
They don't know.
They don't know English.
Let us go. Thank you.
Wow. I was almost freaking out, man. So he just let us in, man. Let's rush. So you gonna give me some cash or?
No. When I go, I give the guy.
Oh, 1,000?
800.
Oh.
ኧረ በእግዚአብሔር ሰው ታሞብኝ ነው። ኧረ
Diara.
Wait a minute. People are still here.
Checking.
They're checking. We still have time
Still have.
because they're still checking.
Ticket የተቆረጠ አለ።
ትኬት ኧረ እኔ ለስልጠና መስቼ ነው ቆርጫለሁላ።
ትኬት አለ። እሱ ደግሞ የውጭ ሀገር ዜጋ ነው። እኛ ጋር ነበር የሚሰራው። እሳቸው
So I have the ticket. It's 7.
አላወቀም ነበር። ትራንስፖርት
Saying
መንገድ
7:30.
ተዘግቶ ነው። መንገድ
ኧረ
ተዘግቶ
በእግዚአብሔር
መንገድ ተዘግቶ ነው። መንገድ ተዘግቶ ነው። ጋሼ እባክህ ተባበረን። አንድ ሰው ነው።
ሰው ተባበረ።
Seems to be difficult situation here. I think they're still checking though. I don't know if these guys are checking are going into the train.
ዲፕሎማት ነኝ ምናምን በሉ ካለዛ ነው። ዲፕሎማት ነኝ ምናምን በሉ ካለዛ ነው። በጸባይ አይሆንም መጀመሪያ ደረጃ እሱ አይደለም
ኖ ኮማንደር
አለቃችሁን አለቃችሁ
ኮማንደር ወንድሜ እሱ በእናትህ ዲፕሎማሲ ነው። አላወቀም። የውጭ ዜጋ ነው። አገባኝ።
ለለቅሶ ተፈልጌ ነው ስልጠና ላይ ነበር።
ያው ትኬት
ወንድሜ እንደዚህ በጸበይ ነው
እዛም ዘግቶታል።
I think the train has already left. It's still there, but they have locked. People are still getting inside. I don't know what to do right now. So wow. I think we'll be.
ቁም ያለው ባይዝ ሜዳ ላይ
ወዳጅ
ኧረ በእናታችሁ ይሄን ነው የምትሄዱት? ቆይ ትኬት አለ?
You'll show.
ቶሎ በላ
Yes, sir.
ትኬት አሳይ።
Yeah, this is my ticket.
Look.
ያኛውን ክፈቱና አውጡ። እናንተ ደግሞ እሺ
This is my ticket, sir.
ኦኬ
Yeah.
ናና ተፈታ
I've been loading. Yes.
Check it.
Okay, check in here.
እዛው ነው
Damn. I have to rush it. That's on the VIP?
You have to go inside.
Okay.
Next stop.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Woo, finally. I got onto the train already. So told me it's the last one. I was freaking out. I thought they had left me. It's a VIP one. Okay, so these are the rooms over here of Sokakun. Yes, sir.
Can you show me the ticket?
Yes, just a second. That's my ticket. It's a video, so I mean, play it back. Just a minute.
Where is
The code? I need. There's a charger somewhere? Okay. This is this.
the end? I check your money.
Yeah.
I give up or down like that. This one.
Okay, wait. Let's go to another part.
Wait.
Okay, let me play it again. Yeah.
March. Yes, no problem.
Okay, thank you.
Charger. Yeah, kasar under the.
Okay, all right. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah.
This one.
Okay. I can move. I can move around. Where's the toilet?
This toilet.
Okay, please.
Come show me. This is toilet.
Okay. Let's look at the toilet. Both gents. Well, it's vacant. Okay, this toilet is pretty decent. Western style toilet. Flashing over there. Pretty decent. So the Chinese built sleeper train.
When the train is moved, I open.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
No problem.
This is my room right
Room
here.
is number 2.
Number 2.
Look at this one.
Okay. Oh, my room is number 2. Wow. I made it. Yes! I did it. I made it. Finally, I made it to the train, man. I thought it had left me. Oh, I just made it. The train is coming from Djibouti and is heading to Addis Ababa. So my Oma looks pretty decent. I see so many beds on here. So the deckers, mine is lower here, as you can see. So the rooms are like that. There's so many other rooms over that side. It's a huge one, and the others this side. So this is the VIP section. Let me see, pretty decent bed. We have some duvet right here. Okay, with a mattress and bed sheet. Okay, with a mattress, and then a dustbin and a table for me to do my thing, and then a view over here. So watch as we travel. Okay, that's okay. And then some people sleep over here. Okay, and when you look on the outside, that's how the outside looks like. Okay, well, Let's sit down. Wait, that's not my bed. It's supposed to be on my bed. It's been a huge struggle, so it's high time I get some rest now. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.